we're at Three Rivers College in Dexter, and it's Student Appreciation Day here at the college, and along with Kristen Relich, and big day here, and you're actually a work study here at the college?
Yes, I am.
Sure, and this is a great place. Of course, it's here local for everyone to take advantage of community college, and just talk a little bit about how easy it is to work around your work schedule and still go to class.
Well, I work here. I also have another job, so scheduling around it and work study, just squeezing classes in was very easy for me.
Okay, good deal. So it's other people can take advantage as well. If they've already got a job or they're a non-traditional student with a family, they can get a flexible schedule here at Three Rivers.
Right. You can also take online classes, which make it very flexible. I take one of them currently.
Okay, so flexible scheduling here at Three Rivers College. And Kristen, we appreciate you spending some time with us.
Thank you.
And we're along with Michelle Lane now with Three Rivers College. She is the assistant coordinator here at the college, and we spoke about how easy it is to make a flexible schedule, and you're actually one of the ladies that are being to help students with their scheduling.
Absolutely. We are just now enrolling new students for the summer and the fall. We currently have 455 students here for the spring semester. So we are now underway with getting everybody registered and making those applications and getting testing done.
Okay, so the summer semester is just right around the corner. So have you all actually opened up your summer registration now?
Yes, summer registration and fall registration have been open now for new and returning students. And our summer classes will begin in June, and they will take place through June and July.
Okay, so you need to schedule for classes summer and fall. Be sure to come down and talk with Michelle, and she'll get you all set up. We appreciate you talking with us.
Thank you.
And in April, we are in Community College Month, and Three Rivers is being highlighted here, and we're along with Chelsea Joyner. And Chelsea, you actually have a part-time job yourself and go to school as well.
Yes, I do.
Okay, so just talk about Three Rivers and how flexible it is to be able for you to work and take classes.
I like it because I don't have classes on Tuesday and Thursdays, and that leaves me with Monday, Wednesday, and the weekend to work. And I like it better than going every single day. So.
Okay, just lightens it up a little bit for you to spread everything out. So, and that's just the things that we're highlighting with it here at Three Rivers College, being able to have a flexible schedule with work and taking classes here at Three Rivers and Dexter. And Chelsea, appreciate your time with us.
Thank you.
And now we're along with Zach Pounds here at Three Rivers College. And Zach, just talk about your experience with Three Rivers here in Dexter.
So far, so good. I go Tuesdays and Thursdays for about 5 hours a day. Full-time student. Classes are really good information, good at learning, good stuff down here at Dexter TRC.
Okay, so what are your plans from going forward from TRC?
I'm going to transfer to a 4-year, probably SEMO, and get my 4-year bachelor's degree in radiation technology.
Okay, so getting started here at Three Rivers College in Dexter, and we wish you best of luck going forward.
Thank you.